Learn speaking English in 30 days. Learning to speak English in just 30 days may seem like a big task, but it is possible if you follow the right steps and practice every day. In this video, we will explain easy and simple ways to improve your English speaking skills. Why learn English? Communication. English is spoken in many countries. It helps you talk to people from different places. Job opportunities. Knowing English can help you get a good job. Education. Many books, websites, and courses are in English. Travel. English makes traveling easier because it is used worldwide. Plan for 30 days. To learn English in 30 days, you need a clear plan. Divide your time into 4 weeks. Week 1. Start with basics. Learn simple words. Focus on learning common words like greetings, hello, hi, good morning, good evening. Questions: what, where, when, why, how. Basic verbs: go, eat, sleep, walk, run. Everyday items: table, chair, book, pen, water. Learn simple sentences. Practice sentences like, what is your name? My name is your name. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Pronunciation practice. Listen to how words are pronounced. You can use apps or watch videos. Repeat the words slowly and clearly. Listen to English every day. Listen to simple English audio, songs, or videos for 10-15 minutes. Focus on understanding the sounds and words. Week 2. Build vocabulary and practice speaking. Add more words. Learn words related to food, apple, bread, milk, tea. Places: park, school, market, hospital. Actions: eat, drink, sleep, study. Practice daily conversations. Practice speaking short conversations like, can I have some water? Where is the market? How much does this cost? Practice pronunciation and fluency. Speak slowly, but try to join words smoothly. For example, instead of I am going to school, say I am going to school. Watch English videos with subtitles. Watch simple videos and read the subtitles. Repeat sentences you hear. Week 3. Focus on grammar and long sentences. Learn basic grammar rules. Understand how to make sentences. Subject plus verb plus object. I eat apples. Negative sentences. I do not eat apples. Questions: do you eat apples? Practice speaking longer sentences. Combine 2 short sentences into one. For example, I eat apples, I like apples, becomes I eat apples because I like them. Role playing. Imagine situations and practice. Ordering food. I want a sandwich, please. Asking for help. Can you help me find this place? Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice while speaking English. Listen to the recording and notice your mistakes. Week 4. Practice daily conversations. Speak with friends or family. Find someone who knows English and talk to them every day. Join a language group. If possible, join a group or online community where people practice English. Practice thinking in English. When you see something, try to think about it in English. For example, if you see a dog, think, the dog is running. Daily practice. Spend at least 30 minutes every day speaking or listening to English. Tips for success. Be confident. Do not feel shy or scared to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Practice every day. The more you practice, the better you will become. Use English in daily life. Read signs, menus, or labels in English. Write your daily tasks or thoughts in English. Use apps and resources. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or YouTube channels for beginners. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress after each week. For example, treat yourself to something nice when you achieve your goals. Common mistakes to avoid. Focusing too much on grammar. Grammar is important, but speaking fluently matters more at the beginning. Translating every word. Do not translate everything from your native language. Try to think directly in English. Skipping practice. Regular practice is the key to improvement. Do not miss a day. Example practice routine. Morning. Listen to an English audio or video for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Learn 10 new words and use them in sentences. Evening. Practice speaking for 15 minutes with a friend or family member. After 30 days. By the end of 30 days, you will know many common words and sentences. Be able to hold basic conversations. Understand spoken English better. Feel more confident speaking English. Conclusion. Learning to speak English in 30 days is possible if you stay focused, practice daily, and use the tips in this guide. Remember, every small step you take will bring you closer to your goal. Stay positive and keep learning.